we can that's distributed in Arizona, and we need to have it here. We need to be the moonshine guys. And so we did, and we really put together an extensive list of moonshines. Everything is very customized here to what we were, trying to accomplish. I live in the neighborhood, so does my partner. So we both had a feeling and a sense of what we would like to see. We thought to ourselves, worst case scenario, if we're not really great restaurateurs, we'll just be great customers of our own. And we'll both just belly up to the bar, have some beers, have a shot of whiskey, eat some bacon, and call it a day.
So what keeps you coming back to this place?
Well, I better not say the moonshine. So
Yeah.
I'll say the atmosphere.
The atmosphere.
Really, really comfortable.
Yeah.
I went with a girlfriend. We sat at the bar. It's warm, relaxing. You pretty much walk in and they let you sit wherever you want.
Warm, relaxing. So what are the features of that? What are the textures?
Belly up to. Belly up to. Belly up to.